Are you getting enough protein? You might be surprised to learn that most people aren't. Protein is essential for muscle growth, recovery, and overall health. Today we're going to show you how to effortlessly boost your protein intake with simple food swaps. The basic recommendation for protein is 0.36 grams per pound of body weight for generally healthy adults. For example, a person weighing 150 pounds should aim for around 54 grams of protein daily. But this amount is just to avoid deficiency, not to optimize your health. If you're active, even a little bit, your protein needs are going to be much higher, up to 0.64 to 0.9 grams per pound. So for our 150 pound person, that means aiming for 95 to 135 grams of protein per day. In our experience with clients, adding more protein is often the only dietary change that people need to see significant improvements in their body composition. However, for a lot of people, it can be challenging to meet your protein needs without feeling like you need to eat a giant steak at every meal. So how can we easily increase protein intake throughout the day? Hey everyone, welcome back to The Active Wave, your go-to source for cutting-edge fitness insights. If you're excited about fitness and fitness technology, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Today I'm going to show you guys 5 simple food swaps that can effortlessly add up to 20 grams of protein to your meals. These tips are practical, easy to follow, and perfect for anyone looking to get more protein into their diet. From breakfast ideas to snack options and dinner changes, we've got it all covered. So let's get started and transform your meals with these high protein swaps. First up, let's transform a staple in many diets, rice, into a protein powerhouse by swapping it with quinoa. Not only is quinoa a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, but it also offers a significant protein boost with about 8 grams more protein per cup than white rice. Incorporating quinoa into your meals is simple and versatile. You can use it as a base for salads, mix it into bowls, or serve it as a side dish with your favorite lean proteins like grilled chicken or tofu. For example, try making a quinoa salad with fresh vegetables, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a lean protein. It's a delicious nutrition and protein-packed meal that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Did you know that Greek yogurt can do more than just be a breakfast item? It's really a powerhouse ingredient that can replace sour cream, mayonnaise, and even cream cheese in your recipes. Seasoning Greek yogurt can make it an even more acceptable swap in many dishes. You can add herbs, spices, lemon juice, or even a bit of honey to transform its flavor and match whatever you're using it for. Greek yogurt contains about 10 grams of protein per 100 grams. Regular yogurt only contains about 6 grams per 100 grams. Cream cheese also 6 grams. Sour cream only about 2 grams, and mayonnaise 1 gram. I personally use Greek yogurt as a substitute for almost anything creamy. It's a super simple way to get more protein into your day. Let's talk about snacks. Chips and nuts are often a go-to snack, and nuts certainly aren't an unhealthy option. But how can we get more protein? Try swapping these out for edamame. Edamame packs about 17 grams more protein per cup. It's super versatile. You can steam it and sprinkle it with a bit of sea salt, or if you like a bit of spice, you can add some chili flakes. It goes great in salads, and it's an easy swap to boost your protein, but also keep that satisfying salt and crunch in your snacks. Next up, let's talk sides. Instead of starchy options like potatoes or pasta, go for legumes like lentils, chickpeas, or black beans. These are all protein powerhouses. 1 cup of cooked lentils has about 18 grams of protein compared to just 4 grams in potatoes. You can easily add them to soups, stews, salads. They add great texture and flavor, and they give you a significant protein boost. So what about breakfast? Many of us start our day with cereal or toast or just skip it entirely. The problem with a low protein breakfast is it makes catching back up to your protein numbers through the rest of the day super tough. Instead, try protein-packed oats. Just mix a scoop of your favorite protein powder into cooked oats. This can add about 20 grams of protein to your breakfast. If you're looking to make more of a complete meal, you can top that off with fresh fruits, nuts, or seeds. And you can make overnight oats by combining oats, protein powder, and milk in a jar and letting it sit in the fridge overnight. There you have it. 5 simple and delicious food swaps to supercharge your protein intake. These can help you easily achieve your protein goals without having to drastically change your diet. If you guys found these tips helpful, have any questions, or want to share your own food swap ideas, drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.